see the donut that the Haas guys did?
Thank you, Thierry!
Tanak is height. No, it's too dangerous.
Wedding present, no?
No, grease present.
Grease present. I didn't do the scales with the ring now. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Should be okay.
Good morning. Half an hour before shakedown, you still start.
Did you go to Goodwood as well?
Yeah. I was actually driving
Oh, you were the guy who was.
this guy. Yes,
Yeah, I saw the video actually.
Yeah. It was difficult.
How was it to drive finally?
The stage is so narrow
Yeah.
and slippery. Like the grip was below zero for me.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was
Fuck,
really
I
low
thought
grip.
there was quite a lot of grip.
No,
I was also
no.
in the Formula 1 car. So.
But I mean on the rally station.
Ah, okay.
No,
but-
the hill climb was easy. That's okay. But on the rally stage was so difficult.
Did you see the donut that the Haas guys did?
No, they lock the front wheels and they do the rear wheels.
They put the 100% brake bias and they took the safety modes off. So basically, Behrman was holding the brake and was in 7th gear with the wheel spin.
Flat out.
Yeah, with the wet tires. I think that was the most smoke anyone had during the whole weekend.
There's nothing left on the tires on the side.
Amazing.
And I remember
Good idea for next year.
It's always great atmosphere over here, so always enjoyable. And with that beautiful weather, makes it even better.
Thank you, Thierry!
vormel 1-ga sõita kahekohalisega, siis ma võin tulla kaaslaseks küll.
Too many mosquitoes
Mosquitoes are
and flies.
flies.
Yeah, they were horrible.
So it's the tarmac.
Ah, okay. Tanak is height.
He's already on the fire.
Is a mix of
First split is already 2 seconds faster.
as well as the big jumps in here.
When we got it on the roads, it's okay because you can load the car in, but if there is no roads, it's...
But this afternoon you will not have roads.
Normally no. It's a really hard base, a lot of sweeping.
First time. Need some practice more.
Side, the spare tire for tomorrow, you're happy enough if it's on the left. You just need to do so that you have a right.
Yeah, but we take a new.
Yeah, it will be new, but it's just so that we even them up.
Doesn't matter.
What's it? You know, it's a
1.6, yeah, 1.65 because of the big jumps. But the protection is. We've never had such a good protection.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but the protection is really good, so you can go flat out, no problem.
As Ott is not living in Elva, so I need to read notes for him. So yeah, it's a familiar city for me, but not for him. Before the stage, I thought that it will be like any other stage, but in the end, for sure, there was special feeling inside. So it was, yeah, very, very nice feeling.
So, yeah.
See you tomorrow, guys. See you. Thank you. Good morning. Bonjour, good morning.
Excuse me?
No scooter for you?
No, it's too dangerous. I don't take risk in my life.
Good fight, Taka. Push. Taka, push next one, huh? Big push. Huh? Watch out.
Ça passe à fond finalement.
Under the braking there was, I don't know, basically we hit the hail bay.
Ah, that's good fight. That's nice.
Yeah. What do you need?
It's nice.
To stay there, it's really.
Still need to drive.
Still need to drive. I'm not like that.
Don't try
You
more.
know, I'm not like.
Don't try more, don't try less. You know?
I'm not smoking when I'm driving. When you are 190 kph, you pass the corner at 190, the others are at 193. You know, it's still quite fast. No? 190.
For me, in front of the screen is the same 93 or 90. You know, I'm scared anyway.
Yeah. Because as soon you touch a little bit, we are losing the part. So, yeah. If a driver or in the rally car you have tape and tie wraps, you can survive. So it's okay.
yeah, good.
Tyre.
It's okay. It's okay.
Ready for shower, base notes, massage because it's needed for the back, a little bit of Tour de France, and then go to sleep.
It is what it is. Unfortunate.
Yeah, just taking every precaution with Ott's car. Something a bit strange came up in the data, so we took this opportunity to change the engine on his car. Quite a few other things to do as well, following a couple of issues this afternoon, so it's going to be a busy service. And we need to make sure the car is as reliable as possible to try and bank the points for tomorrow.
Okay.
For the moment, it looks okay. I would say rear is definitely going well. If somebody's already cleaning after 15 minutes, but yeah. No, I think there hasn't been any real. Okay, from the outside looking in, nothing causing any friction.
They just did the rear end in 12 minutes.
Thank you.
Yeah, looks like it. Yeah, did a great job. Nice and smooth, actually.
As always, absolute priority is to bring the car in one piece, bring it home, and score those. Try to get those good points because they are good points. It's a good team result. Yeah, that's it. Thank you everyone, and thank you in particular for the big push yesterday evening. Engine and everything changed on this car. It was quite impressive to see, and a very true good team moment. So let's hope it's well rewarded.
So I hope we have not to do it in a mid-service somehow.
But how long it was to fire up?
The fire up was 35 minutes.
It was showing 17 minutes and you were going to fire up the car.
So it was quite
Smooth.
he was even bleeding the brakes in the end, so
Yeah.
we had time to look at it. That's not so bad.
It's better not to get used to
Yeah.
engine change after that.
Yeah, we continue our championship fight, so let's see what the future brings on.
Bravo. And yeah, see what we can do better next time. We're at our place, third place. That's what was our speed this weekend, and yeah, the mission was clear from the team as well to bring home the car, so we are here. Good job, guys.
So basically, yeah, maybe mindset was not the best to start the rally. It was known to be demanding in the car, but still, I mean, yeah, regarding yesterday we had some trouble as well, and the team did an amazing job to put us back on the start for today, and yeah, to come out with a second place is definitely the best we could get from here, and a strong result for the team as well. So well done, I would say.
Yeah, beginning of the rally a bit struggling on the first stage, to be fair. The first stage of Friday morning. After that, it was much better. And then yeah, on Sunday a bit more difficult with some damage on the front aero, but for the rest it was a nice, a good competition, a good pace from us. So we can be pleased, and we're gonna try to do better for Finland.
And actually the second thing I wanted to mention was this crowd here, these people, obviously some of part they are here, some of them they are in the forest.